joining me today here in my kitchen. So my name's Celia Mannering, I'm a registered dietitian working in the NHS, and today I want to talk to you about food fortification. So food fortification is a means of increasing the calorie and the protein content of food without increasing the volume, and so it's really useful for people who've got a poor appetite. I explain this in a lot more detail in my book called Making Every Mouthful Count. I want to show you how effective food fortification can be, and I'm going to do that by using some porridge. So here we have some porridge that's just made with oats, sugar and water, and we can see that that has 149 calories and 3 grams of protein. Whereas this porridge here has been made with oats, sugar and full cream milk, so that's milk with the blue top. And we can see that that has more calories, 215 calories and 6 grams of protein. For the same size portion, we've managed to increase the calories and the protein. And I'm now going to show you how we can fortify this porridge even more. So this recipe for fortified porridge is in my book, and I'm going to show you now how to make it. Right, so we want 1 ounce of porridge oats, and so that's about 2 tablespoons. And then we want some full cream milk, so that's the milk with the blue top. We're going to put that in there. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of milk powder. Now that tends to be, most shops tend to do the skimmed milk powder. That's fine because it's still got the protein in it. Okay. And then we also want 3 tablespoons of cream. Now the cream is going to really increase the calorie content of this breakfast. Okay, we're going to give it a little stir, and then that's just going to go in the microwave for just 2 minutes. Right, so I'm going to put this in the microwave. It needs 2 minutes. Okay, so that's had 2 minutes in the microwave. What I did was, after a minute, I stopped it and gave it a little stir and then put it back in for the 2nd minute. Okay, and then we want to add a little bit of sugar, so I tend to find about 2 teaspoons is about the right amount. Okay, but that depends on taste. Okay, and stir the sugar in. And then you can add anything to this porridge now, if you wish to. You could add something like maple syrup, some fresh fruits, and let's say something like a banana, or some dried fruit, or some nuts. So I've just got some dried cranberries here, and I'm just going to add those to the top. Okay, so just to recap then, we made the porridge there with just water, and it only had 149 calories and 3 grams of protein. This one here, if you remember, we made with full cream milk. That's got 215 calories and 6 grams of protein. But this one here has got a whopping 548 calories and 13 grams of protein. And you can see that the portion size isn't really any bigger, but it's got all those extra calories in. So literally every mouthful of this porridge is packed full with protein and calories. Okay, so I hope that you found this short video useful. If you did, please do click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if I get positive feedback, I'll make some more videos similar to this. And please do check out my book, Making Every Mouthful Count. It's got over 50 recipes that are suitable for people with a poor appetite. Thank you for watching.